If you are looking for a way to increase your camera quality, one of the things you can do is to work on your light setup. It increases the quality of your camera, whether expensive camera or budget-friendly cameras. And in this video, I'm going to show you the basic light setup you need to brighten up your stage in church. For this video, I'm going to be using COB Light from SHEHDS. This video is sponsored by SHEHDS, and they provided me with 2 sets of COB 200 watt LED lights. This light comes with 2 colors, the cool and warm white, and you can purchase it from SHEHDS website. I'm going to be leaving the link down in the description and on the pinned comment so you can purchase. Before we go into this setup, let's quickly see what comes in the box. In the box, it comes with the user manual, power cable, DMX controller cable, and below you have the light itself. This is how the COB light looks like, and at the back of the COB light you have the power in, power out, DMX in and DMX out. Next, we're going to head over to this setup, and I'm going to show you before using the light and after using the light so you can see the difference. I'm going to be using this 512 DMX controller to control the COB light. So now, as you can see, I have already fixed the 2 COB lights to face the stage without using trusses. For the connection, I have other DMX color light for the background, which from there I sent another cable from the output of one of the color lights into the first COB light, and from the first COB light output into the second COB light input, and the power is connected separately. And this is the DMX mixer. The 2 COB light is programmed on the second channel, and the first slider on the scene 1 is to control the warm color, and the second slider is to control the white color. And this is the stage over here. I have 4 DMX color lights facing the background. Next, I'm going to turn on the warm color on the DMX mixer, and as you can see, this is the warm color on the DMX mixer. So I'm going to off it and turn on the white color, and as you can see, this is the white color. I'm just going to turn on the 2 colors together. I'm going to increase the warm color a little bit and add more of the white color. And as you can see, this is how it looks like using the 2 colors mixed together. If the light impact is too much, you can as well reduce it according to your environment. And we also used the light during a program. I'm going to be playing 2 different videos so you can see how the image quality looks like using the COB light. And as you can see, this light has brightened up the stage. You can check out SHEHDS website for other lights, and if you are looking for the smaller wattage, they have 100 watt version. Do not forget to click the link in the description and on the pinned comment to purchase. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you have any question, drop it down in the comment section below. If you want to learn more about media, the link to join my Telegram channel is in the description. My name is Ebenezer from USA Studio. See you in my next video.